Keto Chocolate Cake Delight, a healthy, low-carb baking adventure. Welcome to our baking tutorial where we're excited to share with you the art of making a delectable chocolate keto cake. This cake is not just a treat for your taste buds but also aligns with your health goals, especially if you're following a ketogenic diet. Why keto baking? Keto baking is an innovative way to enjoy desserts without the guilt. It involves using low-carb substitutes for traditional high-carb ingredients, making it perfect for weight management and overall health. Today, we'll be focusing on how to make a chocolate keto cake that's both delicious and nutritious. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups almond flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup erythritol or another keto-friendly sweetener, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 4 large eggs, half cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup heavy cream. For the frosting: 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, half cup butter, softened, 1/3 cup keto-friendly sweetener, powdered 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures your cake cooks evenly. 2. Prepare the cake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together almond flour, cocoa powder, sweetener, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, beat the eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, and heavy cream until smooth. Gradually combine the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, stirring until you get a consistent batter. 3. Bake the cake. Pour the batter into a greased 9-inch cake pan. Smooth the top with a spatula and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before frosting. 4. Make the frosting. Beat together the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Add the sweetener, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract, continuing to beat until creamy and well combined. 5. Frost and decorate. Once the cake is cooled, spread the frosting evenly over the top. You can garnish with keto-friendly toppings like chopped nuts or sugar-free chocolate chips for an added texture and flavor. 6. Serve and store. Cut into slices and serve. This cake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week or frozen for longer storage. Closing thoughts. Creating a chocolate keto cake is a delightful way to enjoy a classic dessert while adhering to a ketogenic lifestyle. It's about making smart ingredient choices without compromising on taste. This cake is perfect for anyone looking to indulge in a guilt-free, low-carb dessert. Thank you for joining us in this baking journey. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this delicious chocolate keto cake as much as we do. Happy baking, and see you in our next culinary adventure.